class, how are you today? As you all know, we will have a lesson about universities in Saudi Arabia. This is for our reading lesson for today. We will have a passage about these universities, and I guess as you can see here, they listed about 7 or 8 universities in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. But you know, before let's discuss something before getting into our lesson. Since we are in the high school, you guys almost graduating, are you planning to join universities? Is there any plans for you? Are you thinking about a certain university to join? Who can, yes, Mohammed?
I'm planning to join King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals.
Good, so that's okay. So you have a plan to join this university. I guess we have this university here.
Yes.
Who is planning to?
And also I'm planning to enroll in King Saud University.
Good, so we have at least 2 students already planned to join universities. Okay guys, so after reading this passage, I let you guys read this in terms, and who will start to read? Let's practice some reading. Walid.
What are you going to do when you leave school? Perhaps you would like to get a university degree. Saudi Arabia has more than 32 public and private universities and colleges. Let's look closely at some of them.
That's enough for you, Walid. Okay, who will read about
Me.
the first university, which is, I guess?
King Saud University.
Okay, can you read for us?
King Saud University was established in 1957 and is the oldest university in Saudi Arabia. With over 55,000 students, both men and women, it's also the largest. The university's new Riyadh campus was opened by King Fahd in December 1984.
That's enough for you. We have a good reading. Okay, so we will keep reading. Okay, in this part of our first activity, after we read the passage in tense, and I really like your readings, I can see that there is an improvement. Here are some handouts for you guys for the reading passage. As you can see, there are some questions here. The instructions are, you will read the passage individually, carefully, and answer the following questions based on your reading. If you need any help, facing difficulties in vocabulary, just let me know. I'm ready to provide help. Just make sure you read it carefully to answer the following questions. And guys, you will have, I'll give you 10 minutes to do this. Okay, so you can start, read the passage, answer the questions. Good. So just try to link. For example, they are asking for a number. You go and look for a number there. Good. Any questions? Any?
I have a question.
Yep.
What does branches mean?
Branches. Okay. Does anyone of you guys know what's the meaning of branches? Okay, I'll let you know. For example, the tree have several branches. I'll give you, simple example. For example, King Khalid University has 2 locations. One in Abha, and the other one, where is the other one? Bisha. So these are the branches. When the university have several locations, and that's what they mean by branches. And that's a good question. So you all know now what they mean by branches. Keep answering the questions. Take your time. Read carefully. Okay guys, so I can see that you all answer all the questions, but and sorry for the exchange, Muhammad and Majid, I do this on purpose. So now I want you guys to check your answers. So we will have a chance to let you, I'll give you a chance to work in pairs to check the answers that you answer about these universities. So try to work in pairs to check your answers, and you can start. Make sure that you provided the right answers here. So I guess you find something to correct. That's the benefit of the peer feedback. Yeah. Do you find any something wrong? Based on this feedback, everything is fine up to this moment.
Yes.
Okay. I can see that everything is fine. So you already answered everything, I mean, correctly from the beginning. Okay, so I guess we're ready to move to this next or the second activity. Listen to me, guys, all of you. The second activity will be like this. Each pair will choose one university and read about this university. I'll give you 8 minutes to do the reading. Read carefully, because you will, you will tell us about this university without reading from the book. So you have 8 minutes about one university. Each one of you, each pair will choose one university. Read about it. Tell us briefly about it without reading from the book. So we have 8 minutes. Do you have any questions, or it's clear? Is it clear? Okay, so let's start. Choose which university you will choose? I mean, this pair.
King Khalid.
Okay, so they will do King Khalid University, and for you guys,
We'll choose Al Qasim University.
Al Qasim University. Okay, so Al Qasim University and King Khalid University. You have 8 minutes, guys. Okay, start reading.
King Khalid University. KTU.
Don't forget that we will not have a chance to read it from the book. So be ready to, let's practice some speaking. We did the reading. You guys did amazing job in writing by answering the questions, and now it's time to examine our speaking skills. Okay, I guess time is up, guys. So let's collect the passages here, and let's see what you do in this activity. Who will start? Which pair will start? Okay, Walid.
I will talk about King Khalid University.
Good.
It's established in 1998, and it has 3 branches.
That's
in
the main
Abha,
branches.
in Abha and Bisha and Najran.
Najran. That's what
Uh,
main branches.
It has like 12,000 students,
Good.
male and female.
That's a good reading. I guess Walid could tell us, enough information about King Khalid University, and I guess you know the meaning of branches.
Yes.
Next pair, you was doing
I will talk about Al Qasim University.
Al Qasim University.
It was established in 2004. They have more than one branch.
Good.
They have 12,000 students, male and female.
Do you know where are the branches for this university?
The reading did not mention that.
Exactly. That's what he was reading carefully. So you was sure about this,
Yes.
which is good. That's why I told you to read carefully. Okay.
They have medical school, social studies, Arabic language, and education and economy.
Good. So I guess for this pair they could tell us more about the majors for this university. That's our lesson. You did a good job, guys, and thank you for coming, and be ready for the next class. See you.
Thank you.